Most kids don't realize a simple drawing like this can become a gift someone keeps forever. Let's start with something simple, a big heart. Now it doesn't look special, but trust me. These little arms are what turns it into a hug. I'm going to write my heartfelt message first before coloring. Remember, you can color it any way that you want. This is where most people would stop, but we're not done. Today, we're turning this into a kids art frame you can hang. I'm going to show you how to do a DIY frame using popsicle sticks. All right, everybody, I got my supplies laid out. Let's do it. Taking my 6 large popsicle sticks, I'm going to paint them first. If you don't want to paint your frame, you can skip this step. It is optional. After they all have dried, I will then take the 6 sticks and I will assemble them into a triangle. Now this is me totally being extra. So this is optional. You do not have to do this part. So I'm going to add 6 small popsicle sticks on top of the big popsicle sticks. After I have done that, I'm going to take some twine and I'm going to tie it around each end of the corner of the frame so that it can hang. So that the picture can fit into the frame, I will take 3 clothing pins. One I will take and glue at the top center of the frame. The other 2 will go at the bottom on each side, and I will show you how I do that shortly. If you choose, you can decorate your frame with charms, beads, paper cutouts. The options are endless. I would decorate mine with just a few gemstones. And there is the reveal, everyone. A drawing that feels like a hug. So I'm going to show you right quick how it looks on the wall.